What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing these. I think it's the Raxiom Gen5 taillights, the LED headlights, instead of getting rid of these, the old factory S197 taillights. I already installed this one. I haven't put the bolts in this one yet, but I got it all bolted up, or not bolted up. I got it all wired up and ready to go. And they look great. So I'm going to take you through this process. I'm not necessarily going to show you, but I'll tell you what you need to do in order to install these. All I'm using is a 11mm wrench wherever I put it. This is the one we're going to be installing right here. Alright, so all you're going to need to do in order to install these is, hello, I'm missing this stuff out of the way first so I got more room to work back here. I'm sorry about the mess in here. I've been doing other stuff. That was nice. Anyway, you're going to remove a bolt. You're going to remove bolts. There's one here, then there's two more in here. One up here, right there, and then there's another one right there. Where my finger is, you can't see it, but there it is, right there. It's 11mm bolts. I'm going to use a wrench. It's really simple. All you do is you're just going to crack one loose, and the rest of them will, see, look, you're just going to crack it loose, just turn it, and it's really simple. They're not on there tight. You're going to take all three of the bolts out, take that harness right there out. It's a clip right there on the top. Right there on top, you're just going to press it down and unplug it. I'll go ahead and do that for you. Unplug, press down, and pull out. It's that simple. It's got this little grommet in here that you're going to have to feed through. I got to do a little bit better job on this one. It didn't really want to come through as much, so it's got a little bit of tension on them wires. I'm going to fix that up before I tighten all that down. Alright, I got those three bolts out. You see I moved some more stuff. I actually lost one of the bolts. I found it though. Now I'm just going to pull it out. Alright, so what you're going to do is just going to take it, just kind of wiggle it out. It'll come out. I've already disconnected the wires, so all I got to do is just pull it out. As you can see, it's a little dirty in here. I should probably clean it up in there, but sue me. Now it's just the reverse process. You just feed the harness through. Oh, another note to add: those bolts, like once you crack them loose, you should just be able to just pull them out. Like, just start turning them. That's it. They're super simple to take out. The headlights will come with these little things in there. You just spin them out. I didn't know what they were at first because I took this whole thing out. Do not take the whole thing out. Just don't. You can leave these little grommets in here. They're fine. Just get rid of those. It does have this little 3M tape right here. This very strong bond tape. I just put it right here. That's what I did with it. I just took it off and put it right there. And then that was that simple. Just do that. So you can peel that 3M tape off. You can put it wherever you want. I just decided to put it there because it's out of the way. It's not blocking anything. Alright, so that is the finished product. Sorry, my car's a little dirty. Let's go show you. That's what they look like. These are the Raxiom Gen 5 taillights. They're LEDs. They are smoked, which I do like about those. Fit pretty good. They are a little pricey. They're about $400. I got them from American Muscle. I'm gonna show you the blinkers. Does have the sequentials, which is a big upgrade. It's a huge upgrade for these S197s. Then the reverse lights are up here, where those are blinking. Actually, let me show you those. Yeah, so you can see. If you like today's video, please like it. Leave a comment what you think about them. I love them. I think they're awesome. I think they're worth the money. If you want a nice upgrade for your 2005, 2009 Mustang, whether it be a V6 or GT, pretty nice. I got more things to come. Just stay tuned. All right, thank you guys.